that Islamic State or Islamic polity is not democracy, nor it is theocracy, nor it is aristocracy, nor it is dictatorship, nor it is monarchy. None of these terms suits with Islam. Islamic polity is theo-democracy. Two elements have been joined together. Democracy is based on popular sovereignty. Sovereignty in Islam belongs to God, not to any person, any king, any sovereign, any emperor, or to the whole humanity. It is one of the biggest sins in Islam to associate anyone as partner in the sovereignty of God. It is shirk, and this shirk in Islam is unpardonable. He is unique. In al-hukmu illa lillah. Sovereignty belongs to Allah alone. There is no sovereign, no ruler, no lawgiver except Allah. And this subject has been repeated in the Quran so many times. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ شَرِيكٌ فِي الْمُلْكِ. There has been no partner with him in sovereignty. He is the king. He is the ruler. وَلَا يُشْرِكُ فِي حُكْمِهِ أَحَدًا. He is not ready to accept any partner in his sovereignty. At so many places we find the word Al-Malik, the king for Allah. Al-Malik, Al-Quddus, As-Salam, Al-Mu'min. 8 names of Allah in rapid sequence in one ayah of Quran. 8 names. But the first one is Al-Malik. So here we rule out democracy. Democracy based on popular sovereignty. Sovereignty of the people. But theocracy, what does it mean? Rule of some clergy or some caste, as in Hindus, Brahmanism. There is no Brahmanism in Islam. Now what is the relationship of the theo element and the demo element of this theo democracy? The theo element are the injunctions of the Quran and the Sunnah. No person, no class, no clergy. And the demo element is the shura, the mutual consultation about those things in which we don't have any clear injunction of the Quran and the Sunnah.